In this video, I am going to show you how to withdraw your money from HF Markets Trading account to Trust Wallet. So click and log into your HF Markets app. So when you are logged in, you are going to the lower left hand corner in the menu, click on it. Then you will go to My Wallet, click on My Wallet. So it will bring you here. Now HF Markets does not withdraw directly from a trading account. You have to transfer your money to your wallet first. This is the wallet before you can withdraw from the balance of the wallet. So you can see we have up to $10 here. So click on withdraw. So it will bring you to a page like this where you are going to select the withdrawal method. Now I want to warn you, if you use any method for deposit, it's a must, you must use the same method for withdrawal. If you selected crypto payments A for your deposit, you must select crypto payments A for your withdrawal. Don't come and select crypto payments B. It will be rejected. So I used crypto payments A for my deposit and I made that video. If you want to see how I deposited into HFM from Trust Wallet, the video will appear at the top right hand corner. So I will select crypto payments A because it was the one I used for deposit. So I will click on it. Now you check the minimum withdrawal is $10 US. So I am going to select how much do you want to withdraw. So you can put 10.1 or 10 or whatever amount you want to withdraw. Now for the asset, the type of crypto asset that you want to withdraw, you can click and select. So I deposited USDT, this is it, through BEP20. So I will select the same network. Now the receiving address is the wallet address. So we are going to go to Trust Wallet now and copy our wallet address and paste it here. So click and log into your Trust Wallet. When it is loaded, click on fund. You want to fund your wallet. Then you can select whichever one. I want to use a crypto wallet, so I will use this one. So search on USDT. Since I am using Binance Smart Chain, this will be the same one that I am going to select, USDT Binance Smart Chain Network. So I will copy this wallet address now and then I will take it to HFM. So when you come to HFM, paste the wallet you just copied now from Trust Wallet and select the reason for your withdrawals, just withdrawing of funds. Then click on withdraw funds. Now to confirm you are the one, they will send a code to your email address where you will enter. That is for security reasons. So this is the code. I will now copy it, then paste it here. Once you paste the code, click on submit. Your withdrawal request has been submitted. The time is 9:05 p.m. now. So I will see how long it will take to reflect in my Trust Wallet. So 9 minutes later, I logged into my Trust Wallet and the money has been deposited into my Trust Wallet. So if you have any question regarding how to withdraw from your HFM trading account to Trust Wallet, just let me know in the comment section. Do have a wonderful day. Bye.